Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review Viewmax.io. Viewmax.io is an AI-powered platform built to simplify video creation for content creators, marketers, and social media enthusiasts. It combines a suite of the AI tools designed to handle everything from video generation to voiceovers, script writing, and cleanup tasks like removing captions or watermarks. This makes it a versatile solution for anyone looking to produce professional-looking videos without spending hours in traditional editing software. The Sora AI video generator is at the heart of Viewmax.io. With it, you can create high-quality videos quickly and efficiently. Whether you want short clips for social media, promotional content, or longer information videos, Sora generates footage based on your prompts, helping bring your ideas to life in minutes. The AI replies smart visual choices automatically, so you don't need extensive knowledge of camera angles, transitions, or motion graphics to produce something appealing. The AI voiceover tools allows you to generate natural-sounding narration in multiple languages and voices. This is perfect for creators who want professional quality audio without hiring voice actors or spending time recording manually. You can adjust tone, speed, and pitch to match the mood of your content, making your videos more engaging and polished. For those who struggle with writing or constructing content, the AI scriptwriter is a game changer. It creates compelling, clear, and ready-to-use script for videos, advertisements, tutorials, or social media posts. You can provide a basic idea or topic, and the AI will generate a script with dialogue, narration, or storytelling elements. This saves a lot of time and ensures your content has flow and structure. Viewmax.io also includes caption and watermark removal tools. The caption remover can clean videos for reuse without leaving traces of old subtitles, while the watermark removes ensures that stock footage or templates can be customized without distractions. This is particularly useful for repurposing content and preparing professional videos for multiple platforms. An AI upscaler is coming soon, which allows users to enhance the quality of low-resolution videos. This feature will make it easier to produce HD content even from older or lower quality footage, giving videos a sharper and more polished look. Overall, Viewmax.io is also a user-friendly platform that simplifies video creation and editing. While it may not replace professional editors for complex projects, it saves time and effort for creating viral videos, social media content, and marketing material efficiently. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.